Are you ready to uncover the shocking secrets behind successful businesses? Get ready, because we're about to expose it all. From hidden costs to shady practices, the business world is full of secrets that companies don't want you to know. But we're here to spill the beans and reveal the truth. Ever wondered how some businesses seem to always stay ahead of the game? It's all about strategic partnerships and behind the scenes deals that keep them one step ahead of the competition. But it's not all rainbows and butterflies in the business world. Some companies resort to unethical practices to cut costs and maximize profits. We'll show you the dark side of business that they don't want you to see. And what about those so-called limited time offers and exclusive deals? We'll let you in on the secret tactics businesses use to create a sense of urgency and make you open your wallet. So get ready to have your mind blown as we uncover the shocking business secrets that will change the way you see the corporate world forever. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss this eye-opening expose. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more shocking revelations and insider business tips.